Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your post in your profile in Facebook. First, you have to launch your Facebook app in your mobile device and navigate to your profile, which is just below the home icon. And after that, look over your posts. And just from your post, there's a three dot icon on the top, right over here. Tap on that. And on the bottom here, we could see there's an option that says hide from profile, but this post may still appear in other places, so you can tap on that option and tap on the confirm if you want to confirm it, and now it won't appear in your profile. And this is how you can hide your post in profile in Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.